how to enable and disable your location service settings in your Windows 11 laptop. So let me start the video. First we need to come in search bar, come to the settings. Under settings we need to go in privacy and security, and here just come scroll down, and here you can see the locations. Under the location you can enable that and disable and enable all locations like this. And if you want to enable or disable location for particular application, you can do this from here. Okay, you need to just enable this first, your location for apps, and just expand it, and now you can choose your apps and disable or enable location for this application. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.